Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, promotions, and engaging conversation. We continue on our preparation for our Emancipendence sailing with the MSC Divina. She departs Miami on Saturday, August 5th for the Eastern Caribbean. This is such a great way to spend quality time with the family aboard this 139,072-ton floating wonder. She sails at an average speed of 18 knots, and you will hardly notice her cutting through the water as we move from one destination to the next. Sea days are perfect for exploring the MSC Divina's 18 decks with spectacular interior designs. This ship is a water wonderland, and with an indoor pool with a retractable roof, you can be free at sea, whether it's rainy or sunny. On offer as well are 3 outdoor pools and an infinity pool. And for the fitness enthusiast, engage in the services offered at the spa and fitness center. Also savor the great preparations done in the health bar. There is also an F1 simulator at sea. The kids will absolutely love it. They will go wild. It's the only one in the Caribbean, along with the thrilling 4D cinema at sea. There are themed areas for the children of all ages, giving you time to unwind and soak up all the luxury on board without worrying about the children. You know, I have constantly been asked, where is there great shopping on this itinerary? And I say, if you like shopping in Curacao, you will love St. Martin. This is another Dutch territory of only 34 square miles and offers great shopping at tax-free prices. Remember, one price covers your accommodation, meals in most eateries, endless pizzas, of course it's an Italian ship, and fun. I encourage you, get ready to make your deposit. It's only $49 US per person. Secure your cabin. We have an attractive payment plan, and we will take you to the seas and back. Come with us. Enjoy Emancipendence the Sheri-Fantastic way. Call me right away, 527-4098. Let's talk more about how we can make this into a family reunion. Spend that time together, as it's the time spent together that really make a difference in your family's lives. Ciao for now.